basketball. You went up on the dancing floor. Your Excellency, I appreciate you so much. Thank you for being a hope to this nation. Thank you for showing us that we can poke the bear. So many things we were scared of, but you showed us that we can do them. Thank you so much. I honor you tonight. Right back to Selector Mary. Big guy. Thank you so much for the support you've showed us tonight. Right back to Selector. Come on. The best. Not fire. Up and down like a basketball. You went up on the dancing floor. Thank you.
Make some noise for Sydney. Lovely vibes up in there. Music that came through tonight for Big I. I want to thank the media. I want to thank all the socialites, the bloggers. You're doing quite a wonderful job. Now, to mash up the next session, before I get to actually unlock Big I in a Pro Max version, are we good to go? This guy is one of the funniest guys I've seen on stage, but he does music. Bex, let go.
Esala yali badde esabibwa mu kanisa. Naye engeri gyeri nti mu kanisa tebagikirizaayo. Mbyogere. Selector, roll it.
kwebaza abantu kuba kati kankuwulire omuntu yenna nga tana kujajinga big eye right now. We gotta look at the big eye of the past 4-3 years ago. The situation Big Eye was in. If Big Eye can put up a concert at Cricket Oval right now, it means something different, and I thank God for that, because there was a situation when I couldn't even stand up such a concert in such a big place. So yeah, thank God for that.
Okay, ngati tunava kulia shows, tell people about the extras. Bazimanye tugenda kushidako.
The extras? The extra
shows.
You
don't have extra shows?
No, I did not do extra shows. This is near to the festive season. Close to the festive days. So yeah, Nemba Gapo prepare themselves for the festive season.
Maybe you may be having some losses.
Because they don't know. Because they don't know. If you didn't budget for the concert, have you looked into my sales? Do you know that I've been selling, like I sold the tickets. I've been selling tickets 3 months ago. 3 months ago. Eh?
Tunagena haya for now.
shatter.